Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes move system reserved partition from disk 0 to disk 1. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. System reserved partition is located on disk 0. Right-click C drive, click Shrink Volume. Type 1024. Create new simple volume and format. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type BCD boot space, C:\Windows space, /S space, F:\, space, /F space, BIOS. BCD boot files are located on F drive. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Select disk 0. Type list part. Select your system reserved partition. Type inactive. Select disk 1. Type list disk. Select F drive partition. Type cell part 3. Type active. Restart system. Press Del key or F2 to enter BIOS setup. Select Boot tab, enter hard drive, select hard disk 2, press Enter key, use up arrow key to move first. Press F10 key, click Yes to save configuration. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Delete System Reserved Partition. Create new simple volume and format. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.